Hello and welcome to the HR Diary. Do you know that you can easily combine text, numbers, and symbols in Excel without using complicated formulas? All you need is one symbol, N. This symbol is pronounced as N, but its formal name is called Ampersand. In Excel, the N symbol means join. It lets you combine multiple values into one cell. Let's jump straight into some examples. In example 1, this first example, we will combine text from two different cells. Column 1 contains the text John. Column 2 contains the text Smith. To combine both text values into one cell, use the formula equals C4 and D4 and click on Enter. This joins these two words into one cell. And the two words are joined as John Smith. But notice that there is no space between them. In example 2, I will show you how to combine text from two cells with a space. To do that, use the formula equals C5 and type these two and type N and then click onto this cell and hit Enter. This time, the result is John Smith with a space. In example 3, we will combine text and numbers from two cells. Column 1 contains the text order. Column 2 contains the number 1250. To combine text and number, use this formula. Equals this cell, and then type in this, and type this, and then select this cell. You will see the result, this result, all right? So in example 4, we will add symbols and currency. So we have a symbol here, and then we will add a currency. So column 1 contains the text total with a symbol, and column 2 contains the number 450. To add symbols and currency, you enter this space to the $sign, put in the N, and select this cell. So you will see the result, $450. Total $450. This example is useful for invoices and reports. In example 5, we want to combine text with date. Column 1 contains the text today is. Column 2 contains the date, this date. All right. So to combine the dates, enter in this formula. Start with equal, select this cell, type the N, and all this. Again with the N, text, then you have the open bracket and select the date cell, comma, type in the date format, oops, I need another Y there. Oops. Okay, I need to type in this. Okay, so we can change the date. Okay, in date, month, and year. When commenting dates, always use the text function, this text function here, to control how the date appears. So I want the date to appear as date, month, and year. Now, there is a few key rules to remember when using this ampersand. Okay, the text must be placed inside double quotes, and space must be manually added with this. All right, and then date should be formatted using this text function. So this is how you combine text and numbers and symbols in Excel using this and or ampersand function. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the HR Diary. Subscribing ensures that you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. See you next time.